One significant difference between reasonable analysis and slippery slope fallacies is how they handle probability. Fallacious arguments present speculative outcomes as certain or inevitable. Legitimate analysis acknowledges uncertainty and attempts to estimate likelihood. Instead of claiming X will definitely happen, probabilistic thinking asks, how likely is X? Based on what evidence? What are the competing probabilities? This shift from binary thinking to probability-based thinking significantly improves decision-making accuracy. Probabilistic thinking requires you to explicitly acknowledge that outcomes exist on a spectrum of likelihood rather than as absolutes. A policy change might increase the probability of an undesirable outcome by a certain percentage, while simultaneously increasing desired outcomes by a larger percentage. That's not a reason to reject the policy outright. It's information that should factor into your decision. When you encounter what-if arguments, demand specific probability estimates. Someone arguing that a change will lead to catastrophe should be able to estimate the likelihood based on evidence. If they can't, or become defensive when asked, that's a sign the argument is speculative rather than analytical. Building this habit of thinking probabilistically rather than in absolutes helps you avoid both excessive fear of unlikely outcomes and naive optimism that ignores genuine risks. It acknowledges that life involves uncertainty and trade-offs rather than perfect safety or perfect progress. A decision might be worth making even if negative outcomes are possible, as long as the likely benefits outweigh likely risks. This framework allows you to move forward with decisions despite uncertainty, rather than being paralyzed by the mere possibility of negative consequences. Watch the full video. Why? What if? Scenarios destroy your ability to think,